Good morning. Time to wake up.
Good morning. Is it already 9 a.m.?
Yes, the sun is shining brightly.
I slept so well last night.
Me too. It is a beautiful Saturday.
I need 5 more minutes in bed.
Okay, but only 5 minutes.
You are the best. Thank you.
I am going to the kitchen now.
Are you making coffee?
Yes, do you want a cup?
Yes, please. I need caffeine.
Black or with milk today?
With a little bit of milk, please.
Coming right up in a few minutes.
The smell of coffee is amazing. What should we have for breakfast?
We have eggs, cheese, and olives.
Can we make an omelet?
Sure, check if we have onions.
Yes, we have onions and tomatoes.
Perfect. Let's make a big omelet.
I will toast the bread.
Don't burn it this time. So, what are your plans for today?
I don't have any big plans.
Do you want to go out later?
Maybe we can go for a walk.
The park is lovely in this weather.
We can take our books with us.
That sounds very relaxing.
I love lazy weekends like this. Wait, we need to do laundry.
Oh no, I completely forgot about that.
I have no clean shirts left.
Okay, let's start the machine now.
Should we clean the living room too?
Just a quick vacuum is enough.
Let's finish chores before noon.
Agreed. Then we are free. Do we need anything from the supermarket?
Let me check the fridge.
I think we are out of milk.
Yes, and we need more fruit.
Okay, add apples and bananas to the list.
Do you want to buy snacks?
Maybe some chocolate for the evening.
I will write everything down. What should I wear today?
It is warm outside. Wear a t-shirt.
Is it cold enough for a jacket?
Maybe take a light jacket just in case.
I will wear my blue sneakers.
They look good with your jeans.
Okay, I am almost ready.
Don't forget your sunglasses. Do you have the house keys?
Let me check my pockets. Yes.
Did you turn off the stove?
Yes, I checked it twice.
Okay, let's go enjoy the day.
Should we drive or walk?
Let's walk, it is good exercise.
Fine by me. Let's go. I am getting hungry again.
It is already 1 p.m.
Do you want to eat here?
That sandwich shop looks nice.
I want a chicken sandwich.
I will have a salad.
Let's sit outside.
Good idea, the sun feels nice.
What about dinner tonight?
I don't want to cook tonight.
We can order pizza.
Pizza sounds delicious.
We can watch a movie too.
Yes, a relaxed evening at home.
Perfect end to the day.
I agree. Let's head back home.
I feel a little tired after lunch.
Why don't you take a short nap?
Just 20 minutes, okay?
Sure, I'll read on the couch.
Wake me up if I sleep too long.
Don't worry, I will.
Thanks. I'm already sleepy.
Sweet dreams.
I feel much better now.
Good. I am enjoying my book.
I will read a little too.
What book did you choose?
It's a story about friendship.
Is it easy to understand?
Yes, the words are simple.
That sounds nice. Let's read quietly. The plants look dry today.
Did you water them this morning?
No, I forgot again.
Let's do it now together.
Be careful with the small one.
It needs just a little water.
They look happier already.
Plants love care, like us. Do you want to listen to music?
Yes, put on something happy.
How about pop music?
Perfect. I love pop songs.
This song always makes me smile.
Me too. Let's dance a little.
Just 2 steps in the kitchen?
Yes, life is better with music. The sky is turning orange.
It's the best time for a walk.
Let's go around the block.
I see birds flying home.
The air feels so fresh.
This is my favorite part of the day.
Quiet and peaceful, right?
Yes. Just you, me, and the sunset. Which movie should we watch?
Something light and funny.
How about that comedy from last year?
Yes, with the talking dog.
That's the one. Ready?
Popcorn is ready too.
Lights off, please.
Enjoy the show. I had a nice dream last night.
What was it about?
I was walking on a long beach.
Did you find a bag full of money?
Haha, I wish. Just sand and sun.
I dreamt about flying once.
That sounds exciting.
Maybe dreams show our hopes. My phone battery is very low.
Mine too. Let's plug them in.
Where is the charger?
It's on the small table.
Ah, here it is. Thanks.
We use phones too much.
Maybe we should talk more instead.
I like that idea. Look, the stars are so bright tonight.
I can even see the Milky Way.
Do you know any constellations?
Only Orion. See those 3 stars?
Yes, it looks like a belt.
People told stories about stars long ago.
Maybe we are made of stardust too.
That's a beautiful thought. Alice, did you see the neighbors today?
No, why? What happened?
They bought 10 bags of flour.
So, maybe they're baking bread.
At 10 p.m.? And they have a piano in the garage now.
Maybe their kid is learning music?
Or, they're hiding a secret bakery for spies.
Haha, you watch too many movies.
It's getting late.
Yes, time for bed.
Today was perfect.
Every moment with you is special.
Sleep well, my friend.
You too. Sweet dreams.
See you in the morning.
Good night. I'm happy today.